Many people know that there's a way to access emergency services with their device. You don't know what that looks like, what that experience looks like until you do it.
I had to try tapping my button 5 times to see what happened, and apparently I had the same thing. No, don't call emergency number.
Oh, I thought you were playing some kind of game, though.
It did sound a little pinball.
I'm sorry.
Previously on Twit. Windows Weekly.
At Build, Microsoft announced this idea of Microsoft Mesh, the metaverse for the enterprise, which is very
the Metaprize, if you will.
Yeah, there you go. I like that.
I will not, Paul.
Hands-on photography.
I have a question sent to me over on the Twitterverse, and it's about NFTs. I'm going to do my very, very best to try to explain this pretty lucrative, yet expensive, yet technical, yet not too technical experience.
Security Now.
Microsoft said the availability of Windows 11 has been increased, and we are leveraging machine learning model to offer the upgrade to an expanded set of eligible devices. So you've somehow taken an operating system, but now it's so advanced that it can no longer run on all Intel-based hardware, only some. But you don't know where, what, or which.
Twit.
Nothing about any of this should sound reasonable.